my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make papaya salad. Papaya salad is about medicine food of COVID-19. So I'm going to go ahead and make a good papaya salad to protect immune system to eat. Have a feeling good, have a good time. So let's go start it. สบายดีพี่น้องมาตำหุงกันเลยมาเด้อ Guys, I have papaya and eggplant, loud eggplant papaya, cherry tomato, lime, hot pepper and garlic. This is why I say COVID-19 medicine food or we have to eat every day for the Laos, LAO, Laos people. And this food protection us for stay sick, stay COVID-19. This is vitamin good food and protect you everything. And I'm gonna topping pickle crab. Okay, I make on my own pickle crab, guys. This is a blue crab, Mandarin crab. So I put in fish sauce and ginger so they become pickles to make it taste very good. Alright, so let's go start it, guys. Okay, first garlic and hot pepper gonna go in here. I'm gonna go ahead and smear this one right here. Just okay, all I have to do just smear this one. Now become nice garlic and hot pepper all together. So I'm gonna show you how to seasoning. This is food to protect you from COVID-19. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and put cherry tomato. Same way. Just break up this one. Second, I'm gonna go ahead and put pickle crab, guys. Pickle crabs make a good taste. This is 1 month I put in make a pickle 1 month already. So go ahead and put the crab pickle in here. All of this. Go ahead, smell. Good taste, guys. Very good taste. When you go to Thai country, this is very popular salad for us. Okay. Now everything good now. And put the juice of the crab pickle juice. Okay, and lime juice. This is 2 lime. Put all of it. That's why I say this is medicine food COVID-19 salads. Believe me or not, guys. Go ahead, put 2 spoons sugar. This is brown sugar. Brown sugar better than white sugar. Not good. This is not too sweet. Okay, this is like a low sweet and kind of salty taste a little bit. The balance good. And this fish sauce. You know when you make papaya, you go ahead prepare the sauce first before you papaya in here. Alright, guys. Okay, this is sorry. This is MSG. I just put a little bit, not much, just this much. Okay. And go ahead make the sauce first. When the sauce good, everything good and taste. Need more fish sauce. And need more sugar. Like I tell you, the sugar not too sweet, that's why I need more. That's a good sugar right there. Go ahead, make them together, taste again. Perfect. Okay, one last ingredient. This is gonna be fish sauce, but this is padek. Okay, Lao fish sauce. You can go to Thai market to buy this one. If you don't like it, you skip. You just put the fish sauce only. So I put padek. Okay. Now put papaya in here. Sauce tastes good, everything already. So go ahead put papaya and everything in. For the sauce tastes good, go ahead. Just do like this, very lightly. You know, I don't pile too hard. Okay, just make them come together, just like that. See that looking good, right? Smells so good. I'm hungry. Smells so good. Just tasting. So good. Okay, guys. Eggplant going down. Now, papaya salad is so good. Done. Papaya so good, guys. Put this in container. น้องมื้อนี้เฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งมากินข้าวกันเด้อโอ้หิวข้าวบ่ได้กินข้าวเบิดมื้อแต่เธอที่แรกกินข้าวตอนแรกข้าวตอนแรงไปเลยมากินนำกันเด้อพี่น้องเด้อมื้อนี้เขาก็ตำบักหุ่งเด้อพี่น้องเด้อตำบักหุ่งแซ่บๆมากินนำกันเด้อมีตำบักหุ่งมีข้าวปุ้นแล้วก็มีผักโอเคมากินกันมีข้าวหน่อยนึงเอาพอเพื่ออยู่เพื่อกินนะพี่น้องเนาะมาเด้อตำบักหุ่งสิสวรรค์มีดบอกของญี่ปุ่นเป็นป่าเนาะมันสิบอกล่ะซื้อมากินซื่อๆมาเด้อตำบักหุ่งแซ่บๆเด้อครับpapaya salad protects COVID-19 because all the goodness in it